So, welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us today to learn more of the diverse range of health programs offered here at McMaster Continuing Education. My name is Jesus, and I am one of the information specialists here at McMaster Continuing Education. McMaster University recognizes and acknowledges that it is located on the traditional territories of the Mississauga and the Haudenosaunee nations, and within protected by the dish with one spoon wampum agreement. I will be walking you through the following programs today. We have a few new programs as well that we just launched, and we're excited to tell you all about them. So we have the Applied Clinical Research Program, the Health Analytics, which is new, Health Informatics, Professional Addiction Studies, Nursing Concepts in Continence Care, that's a new program, Health Venture is also a new program, Health Information Fundamentals is also a new program. So all of our programs are offered in a flexible and online format to help you gain relevant skills and experience, and also earn a certificate online and improve your career. First off, let's dive into Applied Clinical Research. The program was designed to provide in-depth experience for those in the field of health to gain the skills and knowledge required to work in clinical research. Interested students can work towards the Certificate of Applied Clinical Research. So the certificate, you need to complete 5 courses, so 5 elective courses, and students are given a 3-year period to complete the program in order to gain their certificate. Each course will bridge theory and practical experience through a combination of both experiential methods, including case studies, discussions, podcasts, quizzes, and lectures. In the final course of the program, students will be able to complete a capstone project with an online team, which provides the opportunity to apply clinical research methods, techniques, and strategies to the real world situation and case. By completing our Applied Clinical Research Program, you will receive a certificate from McMaster Continuing Education. You can expect to learn how to describe a good clinical practice requirement and the legal and regulatory issues in clinical research. You'll be able to construct a clinical research protocol and critique flawed and exemplary studies. You'll be able to differentiate the key elements of successful studies and site management, examine ethical issues in clinical research, and select appropriate approaches, demonstrate an awareness of ethical practices and professional standards applicable in the field of applied clinical research, exemplify skills, attitudes, behavior required to effectively communicate with various stakeholders, groups engaged in clinical trials and trails, demonstrate personal management, leadership, and project management skills. It is important to know that you will also learn knowledge and skills for clinical research associates and managers as identified by the North American Advisory Board and the competencies of the Internationally Focused Association of Clinical Research Professionals, ACRP. So our Applied Clinical Research program is offered in a fully online format designed to meet your needs, availability, and provide flexibility when you study. So the career opportunities available to those who pursue the certificate in clinical research include clinical research associate, clinical research assistant, clinical research and trial coordinator, clinical research project managers. Those are just a few. You could work in trials involving observational studies related to various diseases and interventional studies looking at the effectiveness of drugs or medical devices, for example. So now let's take a look at our new health analytics program. The program teaches you how to collect, analyze, and report using health data in common statistical programming and software tools. Interested students can work toward a certificate of completion in health analytics. So the certificate of completion consists of completing 3 courses. You can take them individually, or you can also take them to earn the certificate of completion by just completing the 3 courses. The healthcare industry collects a vast amount of health data. Analysis of this data, important decisions related to healthcare delivery, evaluation, and quality management. So you can expect to learn to apply the principles and practices of data analytics to healthcare data. You'll learn how to collect, analyze, and report using health data in common statistical programming and software tool. You'll be able to assess how health data is used in healthcare system by decision makers, quality, and risk managers, and the application of big data and machine learning practices for health data analysis. Whether you're beginning your career or making a career move or looking for professional development or practical learning in a specialized field, our courses will provide you with a solid foundation on how to get in demand skills employers are looking for. The health analytics course are offered in an online and virtual classroom format, with a synchronous instructor-led tutorial. So this means that you have a set time and dates for the lectures. So potential career outcomes for those who graduated from the certificate of completion in health analytics include clinical informatics analyst, health data analyst, planning analyst, health information analyst, analyst privacy and access operations, billing analyst, data analyst, health surveillance. So this program is ideal for those who are interested in seeking a data analytics position or advancement in the healthcare industry. Courses are available to suit your own academic and professional goals. Next, we will review our new Health Ventures program. So this certificate program will give you the competencies, knowledge, and skills and network you need to succeed in health innovation and entrepreneurship space. So this program is offered in partnership with Michael the Groot Initiative for Innovation in Healthcare and GDII. So the Certificate of Professional Learning. So to gain a certificate of professional learning, you will have to take 2 core courses and 1 elective. So you'll be able to apply online. So they are open enrollment to 1 course with no application required. The program is open to anyone who is interested in health innovation and entrepreneurship. The program is adaptable for individuals with or without existing innovation projects or health ventures. Most learners include healthcare professionals, researchers, industry professional, as well as graduate or even senior undergraduate students. So what can you expect from this Health Ventures program? So you learn how to navigate the key concepts of healthcare, innovation, intellectual property, risk analysis, and go-to strategies. How to accelerate your ability to navigate the complex health innovation landscape, use tools to change management techniques, to anticipate and think about what's next in innovation, and develop revenue generation strategies to ensure sustainability. Health Venture prepares students for entrepreneurship careers, opportunities focused on health innovation. So some of them are innovation consultant, innovation manager, innovation strategist, health entrepreneur or co-founder, new service product developer, or business development professional. So those are a few of the opportunities. So next, we will review the health informatics program. So this program is designed for those who are looking to upskill and enter the field of healthcare technology, information systems, and analysis. It is suitable for those who are working in or wish to work in the areas of healthcare, pharmacy, public health, medical research, IT vendor, or even consulting firms. So the diploma in health informatics, to gain a diploma in health informatics, so you will need to take 8 core courses and 1 elective course. So there's also an optional practical experience course in a healthcare setting. So to take this course or this practical experience, you must receive permission from the program manager. There's also an associated online application process for this program. So your admission is based on your academic experience, employment, and your goals for the program. The program is designed for individuals with a degree or a diploma from a recognized post-secondary institution. So to assess this, you're asked to submit a copy of your transcripts as part of the application package. You're also asked to upload a recent resume along with a 1-page letter of intent outlining as to why and your interests and qualifications and learning goals for this program. So you can learn through our health informatics program how to apply information technology and systems to healthcare data, as well as the intersection of clinical, IT, and management practices. And you learn how to optimize the collection, storage, and also the use of information in healthcare. So working in health informatics is rewarding. So it's a rewarding career choice, whether you're launching yourself onto new career track or looking to update or upgrade your knowledge. You can do it at your pace and on your own terms with our flexible online course format as a cohort. Our health informatics program is offered in a convenient online format, with exception of HTH 114, which is one of the courses. It's called the Health Informatics Practical Experience, which I previously mentioned, which takes place in a healthcare setting, such as a hospital, software, or even an IT agency. And again, this course you can only take by getting permission from the program manager. Graduates of the Health Informatics program can work in a number of exciting areas within the field, such as application of information technology, health data analytics, planning and research, quality and performance management as well. McMaster Continuing Education is also proud to offer the Professional Addictions Study Program, which we have been offering in some capacity for over 30 years. So the McMaster Professional Addiction Studies program is affiliated with the Canadian Addiction Counselor Certification Federation, or the CACCF, which promotes and certifies and monitors the competency of addiction-specific counselors in Canada using current and effective practices, which are internationally recognized. The certificate in professional addiction studies, you must complete 5 courses, so it just consists of 5 courses. And there's also the diploma in professional addiction studies, which is about 8 courses, so 8 core courses and 2 electives, so for a total 10 courses. The certificate in professional addiction studies may be used on a course-by-course basis towards a specific skill or knowledge categories required for either the International Certified and Alcohol Drug Counselor, so the ICADC, or the Canadian Certified Addiction Counselor, CCAC. certifications. So if you have previous related education that you're able to combine, you can contact the CACCF for details. Now, the diploma in professional addiction studies is pre-approved by the CACCF as meeting the core educational requirement towards the ICADC or the CCAC certifications. So this is another new option. The Associate Addictions Counselor, the AAC certification, which is an entry-level certification intended for students, counselors in training, or new graduates working towards their CAAC or the ICADC certifications. To be an associate addictions counselor, you must be attending or have completed education in a pre-approved program. So the Professional Addiction Studies certificate and the diploma are pre-approved programs. The program has certain prerequisites for application eligibility. Please visit the Professional Addiction Studies page link on the description box for more information on the application process and eligibility. Here you can expect to learn through our Professional Addiction Studies programs. So you learn to assess variables that lead to and influence addiction, scope professional practice, relationship between addiction and mental health, how to use evidence-informed practice, counseling, and therapy-based treatments. The Professional Addiction Studies courses are offered in a flexible online format, which allows you to study from home and provides you flexibility to fit the course activities within your busy schedule. There are many courses to pick from and within the Professional Addictions program, from assessment treatment to treatment planning to pharmacology. And you can visit our site to learn more about our course options. Also, the Professional Addictions programs provides an opportunity for individuals seeking to enter the field of addiction or even enhance their knowledge and skills required for employment or professional certification. The program also serves as a professional development for those working in the fields of mental health, crisis outreach, social work, law enforcement, emergency response, counseling, nursing, child and family services, and occupational therapy. Career opportunities for graduates from our program include addiction counselor, mental health professional, crisis outreach, social work, guidance counselor, child and youth worker, and more. All right, so next we are proud to offer a brand new program. It's called Nursing Concepts in Continence Care program. So in this program, you can learn the fundamentals of continence care and to obtain a certificate of professional learning by completing all 3 courses of the program. So there is an associated application process. So this program is designed for licensed healthcare providers, for example, RPNs, LPNs, RNs, NP, physio, OTs, or social workers interested in learning best practices in addressing incontinence in their setting. For more information on the application process and eligibility, please visit our website. So here's what you can expect to learn. You'll learn holistic approach to assessing and managing bladder and bowel continence care, identifying contributing factors underlying medical conditions to incontinence, and apply appropriate nursing interventions. You'll be able to understand the impact of incontinence and the client's well-being and quality of life. Also, you'll be able to assess and learn the management of bladder and bowel continence in a professional clinical setting. The program is in partnership with the McMaster School of Nursing, The Nursing in Continence Care program is replacing the School of Nursing's Nurse Continence Advisors program. Okay, so Nursing Concepts in Continence Care course are offered in an online format with instructor-led tutorials. The program is a great fit for nurses, occupational therapists, social workers, and other settings such as acute care, geriatrics, rehabilitation, long-term care, urology, urogynecology, primary care, and other community settings. Registering for any of the programs we discussed today is actually quite easy and quick. So there's no application required for most of our programs, and our health informatics, professional addiction studies, and nursing concepts in continence care programs have simple online applications. You can access the information regarding the application process for each of these programs on the respective program pages. For all our programs, you must have an Ontario Secondary School diploma or equivalent, or be a mature student. A mature student is someone that has been out of high school for more than 2 years and over the age of 18. In other cases, you could also be deemed an exceptional case, and this is done through the program managers and admissions staff. Also, please ensure that you meet the McMaster's English language proficiency requirements if you are a new Canadian or an international student. You can refer to the continuing education website for more information. Here you'll see other health programs that we offer that you might be interested in exploring further, such as crisis and mental health management, science of cannabis, caregiving essentials, and more. And please visit our link below the description box to see the programs that we offer. Thank you for joining us today. I know that was long, but I hope it was still interesting to learn about all these health programs. Thank you again, and we look forward to connecting with you soon.